Alright, sorry about that. Camera died, so we back at it again. So, anyway, I've been looking at these, and something I've noticed, they're like, basically you can see here, they're like already slightly opened. So far, I don't know if these have already been opened and resealed. Have no idea. Can't really tell. Notice these ones have this little red little line on it, and this one doesn't anywhere. And the one that I really noticed that was really off, I think it was, let me see, was it Charles? One of these I noticed was kind of like open at the top. Could be this one. But like you can kind of see inside there with the cards. So I haven't opened it yet, but this is how it was delivered. So that part, not too pleased with. So let's see. The only way to know is to open them up and see what's in here. Hopefully they're authentic. I don't see anything in there. So, like how I was going to do it, I'm going to open from this pack first. Let's see. Cross my fingers. And this pack is from 2016, I believe, and older. So if I see anything in here newer than that, alarm. Red flag. So you can see, I'm opening it up. First time ever opening these type of cards. And so far, off the bat, you know how that rolls. We go here, and these are 2016. I'm looking from the bottom. They are all 2016 cards. So far, legit. See the back of them? Don't have much time here, so I'm not going to do it on the basic way, but boom. Already got the first one. Look at that. We got a Japanese version. Nice. We got a Misty trainer. We got a Revive trainer card. Mock Chunk. So far it looks good. Weedle basic. Oh, this Weedle one got a little crazy on it. I don't know why that one's doing that to the Weedle. There you go. We got an Onyx. Staryu. Pikachu. Look at that. Oh, nice. We got a Charmander reverse foil. Look at that. Nice. So that one was promising. That was very promising from the first pack. Second one, let's see. Crossing my fingers. Hopefully nothing's wrong with them. Maybe they've just been sitting around for a long time, and the heat just kind of got them. Cool. So you can see the second one. Pulled it straight out. This is this pack. And see that's in there. I'm gonna lay this aside. I'm just gonna skim through and look at the bottoms to see if they're all 2016. All 2016. Cool. Everything's promising. Take that. Slide them. I ain't gonna do too much. Oh, off the bat, just pulled the Onyx. reverse foil. Nice. Alright, cool. Starmie. Nice. We got a maintenance trainer. Nice. Oh, look at that. Another Japanese style. Maybe that's like a signature. We got another Misty. We got a Ghastly. Diglett. We got a regular Charmander. Non-foil. Voltsby. And then we got an Energy. Alright, cool. So that's sitting to the side. Now we're going to pull this pack. You can hear me open it. First time open it. Super excited. You can see inside. I'm just still opening it. Just opened it up again. And that was this one. And boom. Throw that in the back. I'm going to look through these real quick. They're all 2016s. Very promising. So you see, I'm just going to take some of these, throw them in the front. And go, ooh, off the bat again. Just pulled the reverse. And it says Staryu. Nice. That, bam. So I'm happy with these so far. That just like scared me for a second. Energy Trainer. Kakuma, right? Is that right? Kakuna. We got a trainer one. This is the first one I've seen like this style. Got another Weedle. My Chunk. Wonder how much these regular ones are going for. I'll take a look at it in the end. Magnemite. Boom. So that's the last one. Let's open it up and see what we got. As you can see, I'm just opening it. Just opening it. And then get that back to the back. I'm gonna look down here. They're all 2016, so I'm happy with this. Slide these like that, as you can see. Boom. Alrighty. We got a Professor Oak Hunt. Right? Hint. My bad. We got an Energy. And it looks like most of these, some of these are pretty good. Super Potion. That one was that was a regular. Thought there was a rare for a second. I didn't know what edition. Look at that. I really like my new setup. Everything's like nice and bright in the camera. Pretty sweet. Weedle. And of course, the last card. Look at that. Boom, reverse. So that wraps it up for the night on these cards. Appreciate you tuning in. I'll see you on the next one.